On 30 December 1995, a BTS member V was born. He has two siblings, one brother and one sister. Their parents were farmers. They didn't have much time to spend with their children. So V was sent to his grandmother. He loved his grandmother a lot. His grandmother always wanted to see him on television. So to fulfill his grandmother's dream, he joined dance classes. He had a friend in ninth grade. He told him that he was going to Big Hit to give audition. He asked V to come with him. V said that he will come with him but will not give audition as he was not allowed. So when his friend's performance was done, the people in Big Hit noticed him and asked him to give audition. As they asked him to give audition, he said that he was not allowed to give audition. People in Big Hit told V that they will talk to his parents and he will get the permission. So this only happened. He got the permission from his parents and then he was the only one who was selected in the whole Daewoo city. As he joined Big Hit as a trainee, he was mistreated by people. He was known as the hidden member of BTS and was blurred in any of the videos. In 2012, all the BTS members were announced, just leaving V. He was still known as the hidden member of BTS. While in 2012, all the other members of BTS used to make vlogs, he used to sit in a corner and watch them. V was not allowed to do anything and thought that he would not be able to be a BTS member. He used to feel alone in the company because he was ignored most of the times. When BTS held their first fan meet, BTS V was introduced. But then also he was ignored by most of the fans and none of the fans talked to him. Whenever any of his family member came to meet him, he always said that he is tired and he don't want to do this training anymore as he was mistreated and wanted to come back home. But then he remembered about his family and his grandmother and then forgot all the bad things like they were a nightmare. Also, V's staff used to mistreat him and talk to him in high-pitched voice. Finally, in 2016, BTS won the award of the Best Artist of the Year. At that day, it was the best day of V's life. It was the saddest day of BTS V's life because his grandmother died on that day and he was only 21. He was not able to meet his grandmother because he was in Philippines at that time. At the concert, he became really sad and started to cry. But then also the haters mistreated him and also made fun of his grandmother. After this all, we came on the top 10 list in the world of the most handsome man and in Asia he came on the top first rank. Thank you if you like this video, so comment purple heart and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.